Look at me.
Look at her, look at you. Look at that little girl.
I'm gonna wash that hair.
Yeah.
Not too cold, not too hot.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a baby shampoo.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, you like it?
Yeah, she is.
Yes, it's good to get all that stuff off, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at all that clean shampoo on your head. But let's try about that. Oh, that feels good. We're getting all clean, pretty girl. No, she likes it.
She loves it.
She's a water baby like her mom and dad.
Oh, there's a little bit.
Yeah. No, she is very sensitive.
That's a good job where you get to bathe babies all day.
Yeah,
That's a good job.
Yeah.
Oh, hair wash. I know, it sounds great.
You have to be very careful because her head is very sensitive.
Yeah.
I did very hard job before. Okay.
Oh, combing that hair. Look at that.
Oh. You gotta come see, she's combing her hair. Oh. Oh, baby. Look at that. Oh. Getting all that stuff out of it. Oh. A bath. She got wiped down with it. Yeah, they didn't wash it at first.
Yeah, that feels good.
That feels so good.
Yeah, it does. She likes it.
Yeah.
It's the rubber she doesn't like. She likes the water.
Oh,
You like that water? Yeah, that's
So you got a little turban.
Or like a little pilgrim hat. Oh. Okay, baby girl. Does it look like a little pilgrim hat? Good job. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Your hair is all pretty and clean now. But she's got a mohawk. Just washed her hair in there. She's going to wash the rest of her out here, I think. It's like, that was enough. I'm done. I'm spent.
She's sleeping. Close her eyes.
Her eyes are closed. So she goes,